Alright, this is Mr. McMurray, and real quickly we're going to talk about how to use the calipers. If you have a little sliding thing here, you have little teeth here that you use to hold the marble. Just for the record, you have little ears here that you can use to measure the inside of a column and see how thick it is. Alright, and to do this one, you're probably going to have to blow this up fairly big where you can see it. And you look in this window, there's the first line right here. Alright, you should be able to see that. Now, originally that was lined up at 0 here when it was shut. But as we move it, now it's moved over. You can see a 3 here, there's a 2.5 right there. So it's actually between 2.4 and 2.5. So we're going to say that is 2.45 centimeters. So this is a centimeter scale up here, that is inches up there. We're going to use the bottom scale. And so basically you're going to look for this first line on the little sliding window here. And that's going to line up on here with what you are going to read on that one there. Like I said, you probably have to zoom up to see them good. It's kind of hard to see, and trying to take pictures where you can see it was not easy. But I think if you do that, you'll do that. But once again, remember, if it's between two lines, then you need to estimate. This is 2.45 because it's halfway between the 0.4 and the 0.5 line. All right, and so that's how you do the calipers.